DJM TV.
My better ogbonge person, I welcome you to this edition of DJM TV Entertainment News. How your side? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you take watch this our video. This is DJM TV Entertainment News, and I'm your host Alaafin, and I'm going to bring you all the gist them way happen for the entertainment sector. The ones who really break 2 seconds every year, pause. It doesn't matter the be now. But I beg in case you never subscribe, maybe this is the first time when you see any of our videos and you don't know what to do. Well, the next thing you go do after this, as I talk now, so now just to click on that subscribe button for there, touch them, and then close on the subscribe button, you go see bell. You said touch that bell so that anytime we will bring you better gist like this, you will be one of the first persons to not say, they don't come back with something. Now so it be by better person. That's what the thing they build, that's what they happen. So right about now, we'll go straight to the matter where we carry come. Alright, so the matters that they arise. Man, they give them my job one so that I know what it is up. Now, the first matter we want to talk about now concerning one king from the western part, one king for Oyo. You don't know the king. Ife, they like to marry fair women. You never see. Now maybe there I go tell you. The Alaafin of Oyo. He don't add another feather to a crown. You know the feather? New wife now. Now. He don't marry new wife. Her name na Olori Chioma Adeyemi. You hear her? Na Igbo girl. Olori Chioma, the first queen from the eastern part of Nigeria when this man go marry. The lady fair no be small. One thing about this king be saying, he dey like to marry fair wives. That one now, nobody they argue that one. That mean say, if you get hope to marry Alaafin of Oyo, the president or not, and you're not fair, no sure even bother go there. No need, you don't need your type. Now fair ladies, now be in spec. You know how to tell when he celebrate his 50th year anniversary on the throne as the Alaafin of Oyo, and now he don't come back for one occasion to flaunt a new wife, Olori Chioma Adeyemi. Although she dey yet to complete a 9-month course and get the training where they give all the new queens them to educate them on the etiquettes of the palace life, tradition, culture, what to do and what not to do. You know the matter now. She never do all those ones, but very soon she go complete her. But the real cocoa, this queen, about this the whole thing na the marriage to the king, the real cocoa for that matter be say Olori Chioma, see she been post for social media, not be so much last year, when she dey flaunt her fiance, when they engage her. Oh, social media no hear words. That's no picture of food everywhere. All of us must surprise like say, Alaafin of Oyo dey flaunt new wife na Chioma. Nay, I wish na Amaka be, I know go no say na Amaka disappoints me. You know that song but I know no be Amaka, and name na Chioma. People go the one that say, sister, you post picture, so you want marry one brother. The next minute when they see you say, na Alaafin of Oyo now you marry. What did they sup? What did they happen? You know that just Nigeria. Because of money, she married the king. He make her forget that matter. That money now, the king get enough money. Get money pass bros. You see this bros? He get money pass the bros. I make her go for the king. What it really bring their union to light? Now when Fuji musician, this a few musician where they call Wasiu, call the praise the king. The praise you know the way you praise. I mean praise. I mean ginger your swagger. He can't mention the new wife, Olori Chioma Adeyemi. Have people might go say, wait. Not be this guy. How come she leave this one, enter this one? Where did they stop? It didn't shoptalize everybody, but you don't need to shoptalize you. You know, say women sometimes Now where money deny the face, eh? Normal level. Alaafin of Oyo get money. More will not hide them. Because they not fit and they fit tell you, they not fit tell me say na love. Now the 13th wife she be wife number 13. And another you know say upcoming they still the king still dey agile, upcoming still dey come. Upcoming day. By that upcoming, we will reach where the king dey with enough organic products, you know, those organic creams, the organic soap wey dey reign now, with enough organic product where the skin go dey shine like mirror. Wife number 13 go expire. Wife number 14, 15, 16, 17. If the king still dey hail and healthy to take them on, go enter the palace. And so the matter be. Now say they be now. After number 12 no be 13. After 13, another number then na 14. Why na so Chioma take leave am? Leave the brother, this brother, marry this uncle. Na so Chioma take leave am. What? Congratulations to her. Na her choice, na her life. Whatever she decide to do with her life, I said talk for Igbo. It's a life, it's a choice. Whatever she decides to do with this, it's a business, none of her business. Well, bros, take heart. You understand? Take heart. Yeah, do. Take heart. We understand. Say this guy get money pass you. We know how they be. We know how they be. For Nigeria now, everything na hustle, including marriage. It's a very. If you not agree with me, drop your comment for the comment section concerning this matter. Say what do you talk? How you say marriage na hustle? Believe it or not, 70% of the marriages wey dey happen now for Nigeria na hustle. My sister, my brother. If you no agree with what I just told just now, so drop your comment for the comment section. Make all of us, make we know your reason why you dey say marriage no be hustle. For me, most of the marriages wey dey happen now, presently 2021 where we dey, 70% na hustle, my sister. 70% na hustle, my brother. Yeah, I know so you know agree. Oh yeah, you drop your comment for the comment section. Make people see here your matter. Rosalie, you Rosalie. What to take a talk? Why if you to take the paranoid earlier? Say man, I can't see one girl. Now my husband employee, but this one like the girl want take my husband from my hand. Hey, Nigeria, I said to the you come on yourself. You're too much because you be actress. You just come outside. They insult the man. They call the man say, what do you mean by that? I can tell this able-bodied man. 2 seconds every year, not boss. Not me now you take born king. Your pikin when you call king. Not me now you take born your pikin. Finally, now waiting to decay the talk. All of us can understand that when Oga Shoshi come say he don't see the bone after he bone. He don't see the real flesh of his flesh. Because like to decay that the muscle of his flesh. He said don't see the real flesh of his flesh. Are you? Now marry Rosalie. I'm like that you are class. That to go to decay that not true. Everybody go say yeah. So this girl not just a paranoid that time. She not just a carry the talk. She know what she dey talk. And Rosalie come as I say, she not snatch husband no. She was just there for Oga Shoshi when he was heartbroken. That's so now. You the day there for her when they heartbroken so that you go fit enter the heart. Stylishly enter inside the heart. Well, the two of them don't welcome their son. Guess what they name the son? King. They name the son King. Oga Shoshi say my son is a king. You know, from the royal family. So my son is a king anytime, any day. People say no lie. You still love your wife, Toto Dike. You still love your first wife, Toto Dike. That means you did name the pikin after your first son, King. You still love your wife. You just inform. You dey obsessed with your wife, Toto Dike. Madam Rosalie come outside. Madam Rosalie Shoshi, you won't call her wife because they don't marry her now. Madam Rosalie Shoshi, you come outside. I got say, I don't snatch husband though. This is what Nigerians they do. I know they like her more. I don't snatch husband. I was just there for Mr. Shoshi when he was heartbroken. You know, I consoled him. I gave him all he wanted, and he fell in love with me. Oga Sheshito say na so she was there for me. She dey console me wey Madam Tonto run leave me. They tell the whole world say 2 seconds everywhere don burst. Madam Rosalie was there for me. My lovely wife Rosalie was there for me. Now, in fact, before I know, and they tumble inside water, over head, over heels for her. I don't love her. Now I say make the relationship official. They don't welcome their son together. They don't name a king. And so, well, congratulations to them. Pray say, make this one not end the way the first one end. Make God keep them strong together. Make their marriage still strong. Make this one strong. Like what they use a Dangote cement they do. Or like what they use Gorilla Glue take gum. Make this one strong when we pass the first one. That be our prayer for them. If you be Yoruba and you born girl or you expect to born girl, and for your mind they say, I will name my lovely daughter Omotola after homosexy. If you name her after this woman, continue. They don't say make you not name your pikin Omotola. But the two for them be say your pikin cannot use in a name for anything, any document in capital letters for anything wey go bring money. Yes. For example, the way they do fundraiser for social media, your pikin can use her name. Correct an OMOTOL capital letter for maybe Facebook to raise money. That pikin fit go jail. And you ask me why? That made me there, and I'm gonna tell you why. Our sister Omotola Jalade Ekende, she don't join people like the Beyonce, the way they don't trademark their name, meaning they don't use our term, they don't privatize the name. Now them get them now. No other person fit use the name for anything where they bring money. Just like you know, if you go put, even if your product is able Coca-Cola, you go put that for bottle, you don't feel like Coca-Cola put again because they don't trademark the name Coca-Cola. It belongs to them and them alone. That's what the name Omotola don't be now. Omotola Jayende, homosexual as we call her, she don't trademark her name. Meaning, no other person they answer Omotola fit use the name in capital letters, they raise money or they do anything business. Based on say sister here, intelligent woman, smart woman, she don't quickly go trademark her name Omotola. So if you try to use your name as your name Omotola, and you dey look me your name Omotola, you say you want raise money, you want do anything business, anything at all wey go bring money with your name, and you go write your name in. If you want to write them in small letters, so you go write your name in capital letters. Oh Bobby, wahala for you. They go sama you paper for court straight up. Say you dey forge. In fact, you dey do impersonation. You dey form to the person wey you no be. Meanwhile your name na Omotola, but because you use am in capital letter, they say you dey pretend to be homosexy when you no be homosexy. That's so. I mean, I say money good. This life also. Don't forget the goal. You left home to make money. You left home to make home better. You understand? Not follow people who come out for us, don't tell me they come out for us. Anyways, I will take on to the end of entertainment gist for DJM TV news. If you get anything, any comment about any of the stories that I will carry on for you for this entertainment news today, when you drop out for the comment section, how you see Omotola matter, when she don't trademark her name, so that means a lot of them that answer Omotola. You try to use the name to make money, or here is your case. What about the Alaafin of Oyo? You the reason now, I be some you know the matter now. Drop your comment for the comment section. We're gonna read your comment. I will promise you we will reply you where necessary. Don't forget, so if you still place your advert with us, we get wide reach with the social media. And you see, with the Facebook, with the Twitter, with the Instagram, with the YouTube here. So like, follow, share, do all the necessary things to make sure say you just glued to this family. And guess what? Latest addition, we don't dey on TikTok. You understand? So search out for TikTok, DJM TV. We are going to drop entertaining things there. They go dey there for you. We dey on TikTok, that's what the matter don't be now. All social media platforms, we dey enter there. So your market will go far. So you guys place your advert with us. You understand? Contact us. Our number go show for screen. Contact us. We go help you to move your market to permanent side, to camping ground. Permanent side is small, and camping ground the big pass. Permanent side na number, camping ground na kilometer. You know the difference now. Well, until we call your way again, my name is Alaafin of Oyo. I tell you for this life also make your mates not go use your teeth. They do open up for party. My people, well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.